New information, this severe thunderstorm warning has been updated.
Testing, testing. One, two, three. I think we should be live, guys. How are you guys doing? Today we'll be live for a mixture of tropical coverage, but mainly severe weather coverage tonight. We have a tornado. We have a tornado watch in effect right now, and we also have a severe thunderstorm watch down here. No tornado warnings yet, but this event just started. This event just started, guys, and we already have a good amount of severe thunderstorm warnings. As you can see, near West Fork, we do have a radar indicated severe thunderstorm warning. This is actually a considerable threat. No, a slight bit of rotation here. That's the thing with today's event. We actually do have a 10% chance of tornadoes. So, we are expecting a good amount of storms tonight or today. These are the main storms we have to watch out for. Hold on, let me get my drawing tool. I haven't been on stream in a minute, in a good amount of time. As you can see, you see these discrete severe thunderstorms. You see these discrete thunderstorms. These are the storms you have to mainly watch out for the tornadic setup tonight. These kind of like pop-up storms. We have considerable severe thunderstorm warnings right now. Let's read some of these. That's why it's red, the alert system, because it's considerable thunderstorms. Or a flash flood emergency. I don't think that's anywhere here, though. As you can see, near Fort Smith, we do have some discrete thunderstorms starting to pop up. If you guys like the new graphics, let me know. I am using Atmospheric X and WeatherWise. God, look at this big, thick, severe thunderstorm here. Take shelter if you live in Groves. This is likely, this is a threat considerable 70 miles an hour gust possible on this storm. So, we gotta watch out. There's also cameras we could look at here. Has cameras. Hold on, let me get it. Maybe, I think the camera's down. It doesn't let me click on it. We also do a flash flood watch here, so the flooding watch will be in most of Missouri tonight. Pretty nasty line near Memphis. This is just the beginning of the event, guys. I think we should take a look at some of the models. Oh, new severe thunderstorm warning. Threat considerable. Alright. Threat considerable. Now, this storm, let's see the loop. Yeah, these storms are popping out of nowhere. Alright, let's check up on the models, guys. What we could be seeing tonight. As you can see, in an hour from now, these storms these discrete pop-ups in about 2 hours or really start to kick off. See, these storms really started to mature. Look at all this lightning in this storm. A lot of lightning in this storm. Share this information to as many people as possible. We have 4 severe thunderstorm warnings active right now. While we're waiting for some of the event to start, let's check out the what we could expect in the tropics. 60% chance of development here, but it looks like it's going to curve out. See, the East Coast still possibly at the right. Gabrielle, Cat 3 is going out to sea, which is very good. We got SPC outlooks on the side. Yeah, newest GFS is showing it curve out to sea, which is good, not hitting the East Coast. That's always good to see.
New information. This severe thunderstorm warning has been updated.
Considerable severe thunderstorm warning is updated. This is the program I use for like the alerts. It's called Atmospheric X. It's really good for like displaying outlooks, stuff like that. Are these, if you want me to shut these off, I can get more like of different types of views and stuff. Yeah, I'm gonna get rid of these. It blocks too much of the screen. There we go. As you can see though, pretty strong severe thunderstorm. They actually issued a flash flood warning on
Attention,
this
a new
storm.
severe thunderstorm warning has been issued.
If the alerts go off too much, guys, if the alerts go off too much, I could have it where it only displays on the screen. New radar scan coming in. About the same. I mean, these discrete storms are starting to pop up soon. Soon these discrete storms are starting to pop up. For now, we're taking a look at this big storm area. If you guys want to like and subscribe, it would help me get this information out to more people as possible. Checking if Recon's going into Gabrielle. Nope, it's just training missions. Alrighty. Oh, new flash flood warning has been issued. There's also going to be a lot of flash flood warnings being issued tonight too. Let's check up on the severe thunderstorm warning down here. This is in a big radar hole though, guys. I think they're working on putting a radar site, I think, in Durant, Oklahoma. If you guys want to, these are the pretty cool cameras with the Hazcam unit. Let's check this out. I don't know how would I full screen this. Just pull up the website. I mean, as you can see on this camera, we used to have some pretty low clouds and a good amount of lightning. This is the closest. They actually got hit by the storm earlier. Any more cams in the area? Most of the cams are located in Mississippi and Alabama. How are you, Grandma? 5 people watching. Thank you, guys. As you can see, we do have a considerable severe thunderstorm. If you guys have any questions, let me know. We actually do have a, like I said again, considerable severe thunderstorm warning here near Perry Grove. This has some pretty strong winds. We do have possibly 70 miles an hour winds associated with this storm. We do have a 10% chance of tornadoes. Right now, no have. Right now, we don't have a tornado, any tornadoes on the ground or warnings, which is good. But we are monitoring. We are monitoring these discrete supercells here that could potentially be a threat as as they move off to the northeast. This storm is strong too. Now we actually only have 2 severe thunderstorm warnings active now. So this event just started, guys. It's red, guys. It's red not because of the tornado warning, because of a considerable. Because if a considerable or a destructive happens, the bar turns red. As you can see, though, this storm is very strong. We actually do have a camera near the storm, raining pretty moderate on near the storm. I'm gonna go get a camera website. Let me find it. There we go. Go to camera map website. But as this loads near West Fork, you guys are probably getting some hail right now. Let's take a look at the rotation. Not much rotation, so I don't think this storm is gonna go tornado warned yet. But it could in the future. Ooh, new special weather statement has been issued. Guys, I could always mute these alerts if it goes on too much. I could always like mute the alerts and then have it just display on the screen. Let's take a look on some cams. We do have a good amount of cams in Arkansas that are associated with this storm. Yep, the bot. Those are all special weather statements. Let's take a look on these cams. Sometimes the cams don't work, sometimes they do. It really depends. Storms aren't really in this area. Not really much cams right now. The storm is moving about. Let's check the direction. Damn, it's moving east at 35 miles an hour. Moving east at 35 miles an hour. If it goes off too much, I can mute the alert and then just have it pop up. I'm watching out for these storms eventually, these little pop-ups over here. We're just waiting for things to kick up now. Rip current statement in Jersey. Oh, let's check up on these storms that might be coming to Jersey and New York later. Let's see where they're heading. Alright, in this general area. Tropics, I'm a little concerned for this development, but it's probably going to go out to sea, though, which is good. Still pretty far out, though. How are you guys doing in the stream? If you have any questions, let me know. I can always put the stream to AFK eventually with a weather radio. Near Greenland, you guys are getting a good amount of hail right now. In West Fork, probably. How much hail are they showing? Damn. That's a good amount of hail. Are you guys doing good overall? Alright, this tornado watch expires at 11 p.m. Eastern, 10 p.m. Central, so this threat is going to go on for a good amount of more time. New special weather statement in Nashville. Near Nashville, not in Nashville. How are you guys doing? Template scene they give me. Do you guys like how the alerts are on the bottom? Like they scroll when they start when they're gonna expire. I don't know if the timings are accurate when they expire, but like the alerts itself are accurate. Ooh, severe thunderstorm warning just updated here. Still considerable. It's about the same. They just changed the polygon shape slightly. Let me Yeah, they changed the polygon shape slightly. New radar scan. Let's see. About the same. Alright. Overall, these unwarned storms are pretty strong, not gonna lie. These unwarned storms are pretty strong. Oh, This app's a little delayed.
New information, this
There
severe
it is.
thunderstorm warning has been updated.
The alerts are slightly delayed, though, guys. Alright, the bar is back to yellow because I think they might have dropped the considerable tag on this storm. I think they dropped the considerable tag, guys. That's good. I mean, it does look slightly weaker, but still a strong storm. If you guys have any questions, let me know. Check up on this cam. This cam's pretty windy. Pretty windy. How are you guys doing overall? I mean, it still says consider, but on my atmospheric new severe thunderstorm warning updated here. By the way, guys, we are in a big radar hole here. Big radar hole. Let's check up on the Little Rock storm near Jonesboro. Jonesboro could be seeing some pretty heavy rain soon. It's isolated rotation here. Eh, eh, not really though. The storm is weakening though
Attention,
slightly.
a new tornadic severe thunderstorm warning has been issued.
Oh, there should a tornado possible on some severe thunderstorm warning.
New information, this severe thunderstorm warning has been updated.
Damn, tornado possible out here. Tornado possible severe thunderstorm warning out in Tennessee, which is pretty crazy. Also, when there is a tornado possible, it goes red, the theme. Or with tornado emergency, it goes purple. Check up on the rotation on the tornado possible. Yeah, it does have a little, slightly a bit of rotation. We have to watch out for that. So install atmospheric X is kind of a complicated process, a little. These pop-up storms are strengthening slightly. Overall, not very significant so far, but things could change rapidly in tornado events and stuff. Maybe I stream slightly early. Maybe. Maybe just a bit slightly early. Yeah, yeah. This so far this live isn't doing too well. I peaked at 5 viewers for like 3 minutes. This live isn't doing very well. Now you're the only person watching. Soon I may end it or put it on AFK a little. I noticed how, yeah, Hurricane Lives, I feel like are doing better. No, it could also be that I haven't streamed in 1 month. It could be that I haven't done anything in a month. I mean, no, I mean, I did do YouTube shorts with astronomy. So it's not like I went stagnant. Guys, I think I'm gonna go now. I don't know if I should go or put it on to AFK. See if that does anything. I'm not sure. I'm gonna stay a little longer. As you can see though, you have these isolated pop-ups are starting to form, which could indicate eventually they could become tornadic storms. Eventually, we have 3 severe thunderstorm warnings and a tornado possible out here where the risk isn't even that strong, which is kind of crazy, guys. Not much rotation. I don't know if I should. Did you leave yet, though? Did you leave yet? Did you leave yet, Ma? Yeah, not much rotation on here. Now, AFK honestly gets less views. I'm not even gonna lie. AFK just gets less. Guys, I think I'm gonna end it now. Bye, guys.